I'll take your orange bag. Right here, sir. Right here. I know what to do. Just toss him out. Good luck.
Thank you.
Leads back on the bike out of mile 66 on the run. You'll get it at just as you head out onto the second loop on the run.
Well, strangely enough, I always feel like I don't know what I'm doing.
You guys nervous at all at the beginning? Hi. Have you done too many of these to be nervous? How many have you done?
I don't know, maybe 25.
Oh my, what was your first one?
Ironman UK, 2005.
This will be number 7.
And do you still get nervous in the morning?
Of course.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
So when does it calm down? When you're in the water?
Just remember at the end. Yeah, I think you get the butterflies kind of all day long because you don't know what the day is going to bring in, but it's always a little bit calmer once you get out of the water and you're on the bike.
Love you. I hope you have it. Got a great shot of her.
Wow, beautiful. My old Kentucky home. We want to welcome all of you. Thank you Louisville for having us back here again. If you're from, if you're a hometown person, thank you very much. We appreciate you having us here. We've got our largest crowd of athletes.
Who are you supporting?
My dad.
Yeah?
Yep.
Is this his first time?
Yep.
Yeah? And? Is he nervous?
I think I'm more nervous than him.
game.